How can I decide what's right when you're clouding up my mind? Can't win, you're losing fight all the time. And I can't ever own what's mine when you're always taking sides. But you won't take away my pride, no, not this time. Not this time. How did we get here? Well, I used to know you so well. Now how did we get here? Oh, I think I know. The truth is hiding in your eyes, and it's hanging on your tongue. You're just boiling in my blood, but you think that I can't see what kind of man that you are. If you're a man at all, well, I will figure this one out on my own. I'm screaming, I love you so, but my thoughts you can't decode. How did we get here? Well, I used to know you so well. Yeah, how did we get here? Well, I think I know. Do you see what we've done? We've gone and made such fools of ourselves. Do you see what we've done? We've gone and made such fools of ourselves.